you go,
You know, I decided to give my husband a good treat today by taking him to Nigeria to our bouquet shop in a room. So you can see this is really delicious. I tasted it when I was done with it and it was like, oh, I can't wait. And please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. And for those of you that have subscribed to my channel, may God bless you all. I'm really grateful. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to wash my meat, and after washing I'm going to slice it the suya size, and then I'll leave it to dry before putting it in the oven, because I'm going to use oven, not like charcoal or firewood or something. So join me as we make the suya together. Here are the things I'm going to use for my suya: my vegetable oil, my suya pepper, my salt, seasoning cube, onions, and a stick. Then the brush I'm going to use to spread my mixed pepper and vegetable oil. Beatrice. So this is it. Now it's time to mix my vegetable oil with my soya pepper with salt and the seasoning cube. So I had to leave the meat to dry up a little bit. Now I'm going to rub my mixed ingredients like this. So you're going to be doing it like a few minutes, like maybe you leave it 5 minutes, then you come back and then you come up these things, the ingredients on it again like this, like to enter well and have that sweet soya taste. Again, because I want it to be thick this time around. You know, the first time I made suya for my husband, he was like, ah, my wife is a but you hate, you have.